this storytelling, for me, it just provides such a powerful way of connecting with students and building relationships. And even in the virtual environment where it can be difficult just to get kids to show up, I was so excited to see that even in our literacy camp, some of the kids the next day, they were asking, Dr. Ken, did that bear come back to your pool today? And I was like, no, he did not. But it's those opportunities for engagement and giving students a window into our world, and then also having a window into their world that I just think is so important. When Kia was talking about even just yesterday being Indigenous Peoples Day, where I live, I'm in a part of New Jersey called the Watchung Reservation, and Watchung is a Lenni Lenape phrase for high hills. And so, to then go into doing some research around that, in our 4th grade standards in New Jersey, our students learn about the history of the Lenni Lenape people. And I just think storytelling and having, different modalities for connecting with our kids is just so powerful. There's so many interconnected ways that you can't just think of one connection for storytelling. And that's why, even on that What's Hot report, you could connect storytelling to every single one of those areas. It's really awesome. I think it's so powerful.